In this fast-paced world where every second counts, businesses need a fuel distributor they can rely on. We are Ricochet Fuel Distributors, your trusted partner in fuel solutions and stress-free fuel. For over 35 years, Ricochet Fuel has been surpassing expectations as a women-owned world-class fuel company. Founded by Kelly Brett Roberts, Ricochet Fuel has grown into a diversified multi-state fuel company offering a variety of petroleum products, services, and resources to its growing customer base. Whether you're powering heavy machinery, delivering goods across the country, or keeping your operation running smoothly, fuel is the lifeblood of your business. And that's where Ricochet Fuel comes in. At Ricochet Fuel, we understand the unique challenges your business faces. That's why we go the extra mile to provide the fuel solutions you need to keep your operations running efficiently without any interruptions. With our extensive carrier network located nationwide, we can deliver fuel wherever and whenever you need it. Whether it's clear diesel, dyed diesel, gasoline, DEF, or alternative fuels, we've got you covered. But we don't just deliver fuel, we also provide tanks delivered to your job site, business, or yard. Tanks are available for sale, rent, or free with monthly gallon minimums. We were one of the first companies to offer the state-of-the-art fuel cube. On-site mobile fueling, get fuel delivered directly into your fleet or equipment. Fuel cards, fuel up your fleet nationwide at over 57,000 with the CFN and FleetCor network. Emergency fuel, ensure you have the power to keep your business running when emergencies, such as hurricanes or winter storms, hit. Fuel management, track your fuel consumption, detect potential issues, and optimize your fuel usage, saving you time and money. But it's not just about fuel. We pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction. Our team of knowledgeable professionals is always ready to provide personalized assistance and support, ensuring you get the best fuel solutions for your business. From sales to dispatch and billing to service, we don't just deliver fuel, we surpass expectations. We believe that fuel is more than just a commodity. It's the key to keeping your business moving forward. Trust us to be your reliable partner, delivering the fuel solutions you need when you need them. Ricochet Fuel Distributors, we keep you moving.